Hi everybody, Dean Jacks from iDesign Solutions. We've gotten a lot of calls and emails from parents and even teachers that are parents, looking for STEM activities for their kids. So we've got some really great products that won't break the bank that are available right now. So the first one I want to talk about is the Simple Robotics Kit. So this is a great little kit where the students build a small robot that's powered by microbit. So the great thing about this, it's a cardboard template that they cut out. They can paint it, they can color it, they can decorate it. They can have lots of fun with that. What I love about this is that they have to wire it, but it wires up with alligator clips. So it's just a simple matter of them taking the clips and clipping them in the right place. So there's no soldering, there's no wire stripping. It's really great, and it's very easy to program using the microbit. If you want to take microbits to a next level, we also have the Kitronic Inventors Kit. So this comes with a breadboard, lots of components, and a guidebook inside with detailed instructions.